Yes.
Good morning, everyone. So today we'll be discussing determiners. Before discussion of determiners, let us understand the meaning. What is the definition of determiners? So determiners are the words that are used to limit, determine, or qualify the meaning of a noun. These are called determiners. The word which limit, qualify, or determine a noun are called determiners. Now there are different types of determiners: articles, possessive, demonstrative, numerals, ordinals, and quantifiers. You have done this topic in your previous classes also. So articles, you know, a and the. Possessive determiners are my, your, his, her, its, are, their, whose. Similarly, you know all the kinds of determiners. Now, let us discuss why determiners are different from adjectives. We'll discuss it through examples. Look at the first example. On one side, I have written adjective, and on another side, there is comparison with determiners. First example is I like big houses. In this example, big is describing a house. That what kind of a house do I like? मेरे को बड़े घर अच्छे लगते हैं. And if you look at first example in determiners, that house is big. अब that word ने limit कर दिया है house को कि मुझे वो बड़ा वो घर बड़ा है, right? So it has limited the noun house. Second example is my house is bigger than yours. अब bigger जो है that is degree of comparison, right? But if you see at on other side determiners, that house is bigger than yours. So big के adjectives के comparative degrees होते हैं, determiners के comparative degrees नहीं होते. Now third example is Sham is intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. So it means we can use adjectives without noun. It means it is not necessary कि adjective के पीछे कोई noun आना ही चाहिए. Predicatively भी इसको use करते हैं. And if you look at an example here in determiners, Sham is my friend. You cannot use determiner without a noun. You need to have a noun after a determiner. And fourth example is they bought a big house. जो एडजेक्टिव है वो नाउन्स को क्वालिफाई करते हैं, पर जो डिटर्मिनर्स हैं वो एडजेक्टिव्स को भी लिमिट करते हैं. दे बॉट अ बिग हाउस. अब अ जो है इट इज अगेन बिफोर यूज्ड बिफोर एन एडजेक्टिव. मोर ओवर जो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है that does not come in determiners only. Rest all the other kinds of adjectives are considered under determiners. So let us look at some differences. Difference between some and any. We use some and any with both countable and uncountable nouns. दोनों ही nouns के साथ use होते हैं, countable हो चाहे uncountable हो. But the difference is some is used in affirmative sentences. Affirmative means positive. When we expect some positive response, or we are in a positive way asking for something. I need to buy some bread. There are some apples in the kitchen. Now, any is used in both negative sentences and in questions. We use any in negative sentences or in questions. If we want to ask any question, then we also use any. Now, difference between each and every. We use each when referring to individual member of a group, one at a time. It means अगर एक group में 3 or 4 students or people हैं, तो जब हम individually किसी को point out करते हैं, then we use each. And where do we use every? We use every to talk about collectively things more than individually. It means each, all. When we point out at a group collectively. Now, your teachers normally use the sentence, everyone will bring the books, right? Now, if you look at this picture, this can, make the difference clear to you. Each is referring to an individual person and every is referring to a group. Next, less and fewer, difference between less and fewer. So less is used when talking about things that are uncountable or have no plurals. Uncountable things के लिए less use करते हैं, countable के लिए fewer use करते हैं. Countable nouns के लिए fewer use किया जाता है. Examples are there. I earn less money than a policeman. अब money को आप लोग count नहीं कर सकते, rupees को आप count कर सकते हो, right? I bought fewer books this year. Now you can count books 1, 2, 3, 5, 10. So we have used fewer with books. Next is the difference between little, a little, the little. Now adjective means not much, which means hardly, मतलब ना hardly any. So जहाँ पे हमें ये एक्सप्रेशन देना है हार्डली एनी की बात हो रही है, ना के बराबर की बात हो रही है, देयर वी यूज लिटिल. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही हैज लिटिल नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश, मतलब ना के बराबर ही है उसे नॉलेज. देन इट इज अ लिटिल. नाउ अ लिटिल इज एन एफर्मेटिव एडजेक्टिव. इट मींस सम एटलीस्ट, मतलब बिल्कुल ना के बराबर नहीं है, कुछ मात्रा में है, राइट? अ सर्टेन क्वांटिटी हाउएवर लिटिल, मतलब एक क्वांटिटी है, चाहे वो क्वांटिटी थोड़ी ही है, बट देयर इज सम क्वांटिटी, उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं अ लिटिल. फॉर एग्जांपल, अ लिटिल नॉलेज इज अ डेंजरस थिंग, मतलब किसी भी चीज का थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान डेंजरस हो सकता है. देन कम्स द लिटिल. द लिटिल मीन्स नॉट मच बट ऑल देयर इज, मीन्स द क्वांटिटी इज नॉट सफिशिएंट, पर जितनी है उतनी सारी. The amount or the quantity is not sufficient, but जितना है उतना सारा. So she ate the little bread she had. उसके पास जितनी थोड़ी बहुत ब्रेड थी उसने सारी खा ली. So this is the little. Little is used for quantity. Now there is a difference between few, a few, the few. Again, few is the negative adjective, means not many or hardly any. Now, we have already read that few is used for number. Little is used for quantity and few is used for number. Again, it indicates, hardly any. For example, few persons can keep the secret. There are, almost no people who can keep the secret of anyone. Then it is a few. Now a few is an affirmative adjective, means affirmation में आता है, positive sense में आता है, जो quantity है, मतलब कुछ तो है. It means at least something is there, a certain number, however little, चाहे वो number small है, छोटा है, फिर भी there is something. For example, I have a few coins in my pocket. कि मेरी pocket में a few coins है, कुछ coins है. Then it is the few. The few means not many but all there. Again, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं, नंबर में बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, पर फिर भी जितने हैं उतने सारे. The few books he had were stolen. मतलब उसके पास बहुत ज्यादा books नहीं थी, but जितनी भी books थी वो सारी they were stolen. Next comes either versus neither. We use these. Either has two meanings. One or the other, जो first meaning है इसका, या तो ये या तो हो, या फिर each of two, that is दोनों, both. Either has two meanings. एक या तो ये one or the other, या ये या वो, each of two, that is both, या दोनों. You can take either side. तुम दोनों में से कोई भी साइड ले सकते हो. The river flowed on either side. दोनों तरफ जो नदी थी वो दोनों तरफ बह रही. Now coming to neither. Neither is negative of either. Either का negative होता है. It means neither the one nor the other. Either में हमने करा या तो वो, नीदर में ना तो ये ना तो वो। So examples are, you should take neither side, तुम्हें कोई भी साइड नहीं लेनी चाहिए। Neither pen is good, दोनों में से कोई भी पेन अच्छा नहीं है। So this is the difference between either and neither. So we are through with the differences now. This is a wonderful quote that is grammatically and practically. If the determiners are not there, sentences are meaningless. So as life means, in life you need to be determined if you want to achieve anything. Thank you and enjoy your day.